Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here to show you guys a stock that I think is very undervalued, and kind of just talk about the market as a whole and where I think the direction of the market and the stock in particular and just everything is kind of going to be going over these next at least couple months, but probably a few years. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Just if you haven't already, be sure to like this video, smash the like button. It helps me out so much, and all you have to do is press the like button. Also subscribe if you guys enjoy the content that I'm making and you want to see more. And then comment down below what stocks you guys are buying and what stocks you want to see me cover in the next videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see, the stock market's down a lot. Let's just check out SPY real quick. Actually, I want to show you guys, just put it into perspective. Past month, we're down 1.5% on SPY. Past 3 months, we're down 2.2%. And year to date, we're pretty much flat. But as you can see, I mean, past year, we're up 15. Past 5 years, up 100. So that's the thing with SPY and the market is, like, recently we're down a lot. We're almost down a percentage point today. We're down 2% last week. So the bears are kind of heating up here, especially my portfolio, which is kind of leveraged in these more, how do you say, just stocks with more volatility. I was up a lot more than SPY. I was outpacing SPY, but now I'm just, I mean, with the year, I think SPY's up 15% if I saw that correctly. So but I was up, 30%. So now I'm only up 13%. So I'm slightly underperforming the index right now after today. So that sucks, but I'm sure that we'll get back up there. And the stock I want to talk about today, Elf Beauty, ticker symbol ELF. So this is a stock that's been pretty beat. Down 50% in the past 3 months. It is $66 right now. My average cost is $78. So I'm actually sitting on a 15% unrealized loss right now from this company. Not very, doesn't make me very happy, but we can see that this company's up a lot in the past 5 years. I mean, they've hit the 200 mark, the 220 mark, but they're at $66 right now. But so the past year, they're down pretty much 70%. Past 3 months, their whole business has been cut in half. And I think that this is just makes no sense. I think Elf is a company that's gonna keep earning. They're gonna keep getting bigger and bigger. These are the points I wanted to show you guys, because if you look at this company, it has a market cap of $3 billion, which is good, but I think this is an $100 billion company one day. I think the stock is going to 30x if you ask me. So I mean, I want to show you guys I'm buying this stock pretty aggressively in my portfolio. I am going to keep adding shares. I'll probably buy a few today. This is a very attractive price for Elf. But as you can see, I mean, not even 2 months ago, the stock was $133. So it's just recently that they've had a falling out like this. And I think that a rebound is imminent. It's going to happen. And I wanted to show you guys this to kind of back up my claims. This is the Elf Q3 investor slideshow. So I wanted to show you guys, these are the results actually of the Q3 earnings. They're up 31% in net sales, 69 million in adjusted EBITDA, and up 220 basis points in their market share. And this is an insanely impressive stat. They're one of one cosmetic brand out of 988 to gain market share for 24 consecutive quarters. If that doesn't say something, that I don't know what does. This is a company you want to put your money in. They are the biggest, I think, cosmetic company in the world. They're number one, and I mean they're all they're doing is expanding as well. They have an app on the App Store actually, so they have the digital aspect. They sell their cosmetics products everywhere. They even have their own website, so they're kind of moving away from retail stores, keeping all the profit, but they're still the number one item on the shelf at Target. They're actually going into the skincare space, which is very impressive and very good business endeavor for this company, because I personally don't use makeup. I know some guys do, but I do use skincare. I think everyone uses skincare, but not everyone uses makeup. There's even some girls that don't use makeup, but they use skincare. So that's why skincare is something that everyone almost uses. So I think them having the space in the makeup, which is something you put on your skin, which is closely related to skincare, except now it's actually skincare, is going to really relate to the masses, and it's going to be a good product for them over the years. They're already gaining market share rapidly in that as well. And also their last point, international. They're doing very well internationally. I think they grew a very good amount internationally. We'll see down here, but they're definitely expanding very well. And we can see they have 5.6 million members on the Elf app. You can see Elf Cosmetics gained 16%. The cosmetics category lost 5%. So, I mean, they're doing things like this in a market like this. Yeah, I mean, you can see Target, Walmart, they're the number 2 item. Dollar General, they're going to be inside Dollar General stores. That's going to be a great thing for them. And then they're the number 1 most productive brand. That means they get in and off the shelves the fastest in all of these stores. So you don't have to worry about Elf not selling. And you can see their skincare went from number 25 to number 10. That's beautiful. And then also look at how young this company is. They're 5 years old, this company. And look at these big dog companies that they're right next to, like Neutrogena. I'm sure you guys have heard about that. Garnier, L'Oreal, Cetaphil, Olay, Panoxyl, La Roche-Posay, CeraVe, Hero, and then Elf Skin, 5 years old. And they're right up there with all of these companies. And they're outperforming the skincare category, something they just went into. I don't know. This is a beautiful thing, guys. I think that you're really missing out. 66% international net sales growth. This is just, I mean, green lights all across the board. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what else more to say. These stats speak for themselves. The way they're gaining market share in all of these categories, quarter over quarter, quarter in, quarter out. They're gaining market share in skincare. They're gaining market share in makeup. They're doing the right things. They have an app. That's why I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm investing a very good amount in Elf. I think that there's a lot of potential. I know there's a lot of potential in this company and the things that they're doing. I believe in their business team, their management team. I mean, look at what the CEO has done over the past 5 years. Over the lifespan of this company, they're up almost 200% in just 5 years, and they're up in the past 5 years 300%. So the CEO he's doing something right, because they were up 1,200%, and their growth slowed down a little bit, which is bound to happen. But this stock chart is kind of setting up something like I've seen before. I don't want to call it too soon, but I've seen this stock chart somewhere before, and that's, I mean, it's at a very smaller scale, but look at what Palantir did. They opened at 10. They hit 35. Okay. Elf did that. They opened very low. They hit very high. And then their growth slowed down for a little bit. They went all the way down to $5, somewhere around here. And just 2 weeks ago, Palantir hit a 52-week high of $125. And you bought it at that $5 price. I mean, honestly, I think the most helpful way to imagine this is you bought $5 a share, okay? You bought $5 a share of Palantir. Let's say you bought, I don't know, let's say you bought 100 shares. You had $500, you put it in there. You bought 100 shares. Now those 100 shares that were $5 are worth $120. So that was $500. Now you have 100 shares still, but they're $120. That's $12,000 from $500. And I mean, if you expand this, and let's say you bought 1,000 shares with $5,000, so you bought 500 shares. Or at $5, you bought 1,000 shares, $5,000. Now they're $120 a share, and you, my friend, have $120,000. I think that this company is setting up kind of like what happened with Palantir. I don't know, but I think that this is a company that can kind of do what Palantir did. They're not as low as $6, but for where this company was at, to be at 66 and have these stats, I mean, Palantir was slowing like crazy. This company is kind of, they're still doing their thing. They're doing some good things with this company still, and they're dropping. So I don't know. I mean, all I see is good things on here. I know that's all they put on the investor slideshow, but you can't fake these stats. These are amazing growth opportunities, amazing stats, amazing. This is a company you want to invest in. I don't know. It's easier shown than said, even. I mean, I'm going to put some more money in this company right after this video. I might buy a share or two and deposit some money. So yeah, I mean, guys, with all that being said, I also wanted to take a look at the options. I personally am not going to buy options on this because I want to hold this for 3 to 7 plus years. I think that they're gonna continue being the number one leader in the cosmetics category. So that's why I'm not going to buy options, because I want to hold them for way longer than an option will allow me to hold them for. But I think buying options isn't a horrible idea at this price either. I don't know how much lower Elf can go than this. They're with the company with this strong of a management team and how good of a corporation. I don't know if just buy it while you can, guys. But with all that being said, I hope the market treats you guys right. It is. I think it'll flip soon. This Elf stock will be the first to do it, in my opinion. And yeah, be sure to like the video. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to just smash the like button. It takes 2 seconds out of your day, and it would really help me out. And then also subscribe to my channel if you like the content and want to see more. And then also comment down below, what stocks do you want to see me cover? What do you want to see me talk about? And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.